Alright, y'all, we're gonna cook some tomato gravy. Some of y'all been wanting some of my gravy recipes. I done gave some of y'all some gravy recipes. And y'all finna get another one. This is the grease that I told y'all we would save another day from the beef. You can use shortening, you can use oil, but you gotta have some kind of grease. And you gotta have some kind of flour. And I'm gonna go ask my oldest daughter if she go get me some flour. You go get me some flour? Cause I done forgot to get flour out. Cause I want to start over. My wife said I gotta start over because I forgot to get tomatoes too.
I get it. No. Mom!
Did you get the tomatoes?
Mom!
I'm right here.
Mom!
Y'all ever heard of a kid so scared of some tomatoes? She's terrified of them tomatoes. Once I make them in the gravy though, she'll like them. She won't be as scared of them then. I got my tomatoes up on top of my cabinet. Had to hold my baby girl up there to get some tomatoes down for me.
I don't like that.
And she don't like that. She don't like going up there. Told her I wasn't gonna drop her.
But I had to put my dough higher than put my hands.
Whoa, girl, don't say that. All right, we're gonna get this grease good and hot, frying hot. And actually, I got some chicken crunchies over here that I'm gonna throw in here too. But this is where we fried chicken earlier. Is just some of the crisp that fell off. I'm just gonna throw it in here just to add some flavor and some calories to help me maintain my figure. I done told y'all I don't like to waste stuff, so you know, let me just throw that in there. Kind of stir it around. It looks like it's frying hot. Take a little bit of this and just kind of cover it up and let it cook. They got me way too much flour, but that's all right. Just gonna let it cook. Stir it around. Now it's got cold. I don't want no cold. I want it hot. I want it to be popping. That way it'll be one of them ASMR videos where you hear grease popping. Pretty. Add a little bit of tomato. A little bit of tomato. Yeah. Stir it around in there. Baby Yeah, you may have to go up there and get another thing of tomatoes.
Nope.
Yeah.
Slowly?
Yeah, really. Go up there and get another one.
Slowly.
Come here, baby.
No, Papa. I'll put them on your counter.
Come get another jar of tomatoes.
I'll climb on the counter.
Come on. Come on.
I'll climb on the counter and get it. You're not picking me up.
My kids is scared of getting up there and getting some tomatoes.
I'm not an idiot. What do you think I'm going to be scared of? I was raised by you. Well, and being raised.
I ended up with a little bit too much grease, y'all, and flour, so I'm having to add some more tomatoes. But I'm feeding quite a few people, so it'll be all right.
Yeah.
Just
And then you have to
add a little more tomatoes. That's some of them tomatoes that my chickens planted for me. Again, y'all see me spill that everywhere? All right. And that is how quick you can have some homemade tomato gravy right there.